Okay, guess what I'm doing today? And it's taken me forever to do this, but I've spent my entire life not having laser hair removal. So I'm going to laser away and I'm gonna do my underarms and my bikini line. And I want you to come with me because I'm scared and I wanna see if it's really that big of a deal. If it really hurts like people say it does, or it doesn't hurt, or what's gonna happen. Come join me, let's do this.
Play this record as frequently as possible.
And we're going in a room, and this is the room. Let's find out what's gonna happen here. I need to undress, and they're going to do bikini line and underarms, and I'm scared.
Yeah, we're gonna start with your underarms. Just get nice and relaxed.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
So we're doing laser hair removal, and we're doing your underarms first. Waiting for the machine to warm up.
Ooh, this is cold.
It is cold, so you won't have to feel too much of the heat.
Okay.
One.
Oh, I didn't feel it.
Let me know if you're starting to feel it.
Okay. I feel it a little bit. It's okay.
Not too bad,
Not
right?
too bad.
So it should feel like a little hot rubber band snapping.
Play this
Yeah,
record as
that's all you're
frequently
gonna
as
feel.
possible.
Okay. It's quicker than I thought.
A lot quicker. I usually like to go around the underarm. Sometimes we have those sparse little hairs.
Yeah.
But it takes less than a minute on each underarm.
What the heck? This is so much easier than I thought it was gonna be.
Done.
What? That was crazy! You guys saw it in real time. Done with the one arm. Okay, so we're doing the lower region. You don't need to see that, but it definitely did not hurt. Like I was like scared and squeamish, and it was totally fine. So if you're scared because it hurts, that's why I waited 44 years to do this. Don't be, because it doesn't hurt. I am finished. It was so easy. It was great. I can't wait to see the results. One down, I did it, and the did it. Also, what kind of patient are you? Do you
Play this
fold your
record as
clothes,
frequently as
or do
possible.
you just leave them amok? Just curious. Anyway, so psyched. This is a process because you have to keep coming back every 6 to 8 weeks because it's a body part. And I'll keep you in the loop because this is why I'm doing this, to let you know what the experience is like. So I just had my first round at Laser Away, and I did the bikini area and I did the underarms area, and I am obsessed. It was so fast. I was in and out. Like I thought it was gonna take like 2 hours and it took like 10 minutes.